Welcome to GreenBiz Studio. I'm John Davies, Senior Vice President at GreenBiz, and I'm excited to be speaking with Sarah Chapman, Chief Marketing Officer, Manulife Investment Management, and Global Chief Sustainability Officer at Manulife. Welcome, Sarah.
Thanks, John, for having me.
I was looking at your impact statement before this interview, and one of the interesting areas to me is your focus on nature-based solutions. What's the role of an international financial services firm when it comes to nature and biodiversity?
So we play at a really interesting intersection of biodiversity, nature, and even health as we think about ourselves as both a life and health insurance company, as well as a significant asset manager. So as we think about our journey to net zero and a focus on a nature positive world, it's our products and services that really aim to contribute both to climate change and nature loss mitigation and resilience. And we do this through significant capabilities in timberland and agriculture. As the largest institutional manager of agriculture and timberland in the world, we are really accelerating the development of investment strategies for investors themselves that are interested in nature-based solutions, to actually really drive nature loss and biodiversity degradation while also building resiliency and enhancing human health and well-being.
That is so cool. So can you drill down a little bit and give us a couple of examples of those investments or projects that you're referring to?
As part of our organization on the third-party asset management side, we are a significant investor in agriculture in timberland and have been at the center of sort of sustainable solutions in that space. We have been developing and exploring a new way to think about what we call sort of impact first investing, whereby actually looking at timberland, whereby we can, yes, have, the return on investment that you would from any sort of normal, timberland investment, but also solutions that actually are capturing even more carbon per dollar invested. So in other words, managing forests to really maximize the carbon sequestration, and thereby actually having, an opportunity for investors to inset, those emissions or being able to look at them from a carbon market perspective.
Sarah, that is so cool on the asset management side. What about on the insurance side? What are you seeing there? I mean, this is a new area.
Yeah, and this is certainly, something that you could think about from a P&C perspective, being a little bit more tangible, but really thinking about the impact of nature loss on health, really nascent. But something we are certainly, working with a number of different industry associations to really start to unpack that and start to look at the data to see any correlation on that front.
Well, you're certainly taking a big leadership position here. I've been talking with Sarah Chapman, Senior Vice President and Global Chief Sustainability Officer at Manulife. Thanks, Sarah.
Thanks, John.